everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. This is week 2 of quarantine. I actually just uploaded my week 1 video today. Come on, brother. I'm on my way to work right now. I have to go into the office to do a couple of things. I didn't have to do a full day there. It's actually noon now, so I'm only just going in there for a couple of hours to take care of some stuff, and then I'll probably be going back. Not probably, then I'm going back home. But yeah, how y'all hanging in there? Last week, I was good. Last week I wasn't tripping. Y'all seen the video. Week 1 was cool. This week has been trying me a little bit. I think it's a combination of a few things. So one, my work for my workload for work kind of changed this week, and I kind of got thrown into some stuff that I wasn't really expecting or prepared for. So that's been a little challenging. So that was that. And then on top of that, y'all, just being in the house, it really does, it takes a mental toll on you. Just not having fresh air every day. And I mean, we can technically go outside, you can go for walks and stuff like that, but it's been kind of raining off and on, so I really just been in the house. So I think mentally it's starting to take a toll on me. And then another thing I think what's kind of throwing me off is my diet. I've been in the house and I've just been eating a lot more junk food, processed food, and so I just been sluggish this week. I have been tired. I was also drinking this past weekend. I'm not gonna lie, sitting in the house I was drinking. So I think combination of alcohol, a combination of just unhealthy processed food mixed in with not getting a lot of fresh air, it's kind of, it's been, I can definitely tell the difference in my energy and in my stamina and everything. So I'm happy to be out the house right now, even if it's only for a little bit, and happy to get some fresh air. I've also been trying to clean up my diet a little bit this week. So as you guys can see, I made me a green smoothie for lunch, trying to get it together. Another thing I've been doing, or I haven't been doing, last week when I was at work, because I really didn't have much going on, I was laying in the bed most of the day. I had my laptop is that a spider in my car? So yeah, I haven't been laying down in my bed to do my work. I've been getting up. I don't have an actual work desk, but I've just been using my vanity and getting up in the morning, setting my laptop. So I'm sitting up and I'm not laid down. Yeah, it's a lot that goes into working from home that a lot of people don't think about. I know I surely didn't think about some of these things. But yeah, so I'm hanging in there, y'all. Hope everybody's doing okay. We'll see how the rest of this week pans out. The days are going by kind of fast, though. I can say that, even though I just everybody. So Today is Saturday, April 4th. Honestly, I have not done any vlogging since the last clip that you guys seen, which was like 2 weeks ago. Well, no, that's a lie. It was a week ago. But yeah, we are currently in week 3, the end of week 3 for shelter in place. And like most places, it got extended to May. I think the date they gave us now is May 3rd, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm still in the house. Like I said, I honestly haven't done much vlogging just because like I ain't been doing nothing. I've been working, still working from home. And honestly, I thought I would have like more free time than I actually did. Yeah, so for work they brought me onto a project, and so that has just been taking up a lot of my time throughout the day. Like last week I was training for this project, and then this week I'm actually doing the stuff that I trained for. So like yeah, just like I haven't had as much free time as I thought I would have. It's been kind of regular out, like as far as like work and everything goes. Like I go to work, and instead of traveling and everything, I'm just already at home. So yeah, that's that. I started walking, so I'm trying to do some exercises because y'all, being in this house, I've been picking up weight. I've been eating good. I bought a jump rope so I could do some exercises and stuff at home. So I'm definitely gonna try to keep that up. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I ain't really been doing much. My battery's about to die. I did this wig yesterday. So y'all, my battery just died on my camera. So I just switched to my phone. But yeah, I did this little hair video on this wig yesterday, but I was looking crazy because I had my wig off. So I'm like, let me just throw the wig on, and then I put it in this little bun, and I put this little headband thing on. So I think I'm about to make me some ceviche after I just talked about eating and gaining weight. I'm about to make the ceviche, and that's pretty much it. So I'm about to interrupt this vlog with a quick little mini tutorial for the ceviche that I made. So if you don't know what ceviche is, basically it is a Latin, Mexican, I think, dish, and it's basically like a salsa with seafood. So this isn't like authentic ceviche, but this is the way that I like to make it. So obviously if it's a salsa, it starts with a tomato base, so I'm just dicing up some tomatoes. Next I'm gonna dice some yellow onion, and I'm also going to dice some red onion and add that to the bowl. Next, I'm going to dice up some jalapeno. If you don't like spicy food, definitely you want to cut out the seeds, but I love spice, so I'm just going to dice up these jalapenos. You can also do serrano peppers. I've done it with that before. Now, traditional ceviche is made with raw seafood, and basically you marinate it in lime juice, lemon juice, and just citrus, and it cooks the seafood. But I don't trust myself enough to make it with raw seafood, so I normally just buy like the cooked shrimp cocktail, and then I just dice that up and add it to my mixture. And that way too, I don't have to let it sit, because when you do it with raw fish or raw seafood, you do have to like let it sit for however many hours to allow the fish or the seafood to cook. But with the way I do it, it's pretty much ready to eat right away. Now I'm going to take a lime and I'm going to roll that so I can make it juicy, and then I'm going to cut it in half and add the lime juice, and I'm also going to do the same thing with the lemon. And then to finish it off, we're just going to add some seasonings. So I'm going to add some chopped garlic. Then I'm going to add some seasoning salt because I'm black and I don't know how to cook anything without using seasoning salt. Then add some black pepper. And then lastly, I'm going to use some tahini seasoning, which is just like a Mexican chili seasoning. It's really good on fruit, and it's really good on micheladas. So then I'm going to give all of that a twirl, mix it all together, and then I'm going to take some chips and taste it to see if I got my seasonings right. And I did. I didn't really have any clips of me eating it, but it was good, y'all. And that concludes the end of this mini cooking tutorial. Alright, you guys, so today is Sunday. It is April 5th. So it's Misha's birthday. Misha's one of my best friends. You guys have seen her on my channel. Her birthday is actually tomorrow. She had plans. We're going to celebrate all that other stuff. But of course, for obvious reasons, we are unable to celebrate. So I was going to order her some cupcakes and send it to her. But the place that I wanted to order from, like, they was tripping. They were taxing for the delivery charge. Like, I was going to get her a dozen of cupcakes, and the cupcakes were only like $23, but then there was a delivery fee of $25 plus an extra $10 for same day delivery. And this, I was planning this like not today, like the day before, and then an extra $5 for Saturday delivery. So I would have ended up paying like $40 for delivery for $20 cupcakes. So ended up not going with that place. So I'm actually on Postmates right now. Actually, I'm on DoorDash. So yeah, she just takes me back. So I just texted her to see if she's at home. So I'm on DoorDash right now. I'm not gonna send her cupcakes, but there's an ice cream place and they have ice cream cupcakes. So I'm gonna send her a pack of those. So let me check out. Doesn't know that I'm doing this. She thinks I'm coming over, but like, girl, I'm not driving out there. I'm not gonna tell her they're coming, but you know how on like DoorDash and stuff you can track the driver. So when I see that the driver gets close, I'm gonna FaceTime her and tell her to go open her door so that she can go get the cookies or get the cupcakes, the ice cream cupcakes, whatever it is. I'm still waiting on a confirmation for the store, so hopefully they have some left because it is like almost 8 o'clock at night. So I hope they have like inventory left of what I requested. So they confirmed my order, but then the place just called me and said they were out of the ice cream cake cupcakes. So I decided to just get a whole round cake. So yeah, it shouldn't take too long since it's already prepackaged. He said he was gonna write happy birthday on it for me. And yeah, I feel like it's the least I can do. Like, it just sucks for this time of the year. Like, everything is just, if you have plans, it's just, yeah, I feel bad for people who have birthdays. I have vacation. I was in the middle of planning a vacation in May to Jamaica, and we basically had to just cut all of it out because the way things are going. I'm so oily tonight. Oh my God. Go to your door.
Go to my door.
Somebody.
Did you go to the right door?
Go to. Wait, just wait there for a little bit.
Some people, delivery people?
Possibly. Okay, you can go sit down for a little bit. I'm trying to see what kind of car he in.
Is it the Toyota or something? You so sweet. You want me some Cold Stone?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, that was sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
It should be a cake.
Oh, some whole ass cake. Oh, that is so sweet of you. Thanks, sissy.
You're welcome. I felt so bad. I was like, we can't do nothing.
So cute.
Did they write on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Misha.
Okay.
I don't know how to. Hold on.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah. I don't even know what kind it is.
It's alright.
Oh.
It says, ooh, Coffee House Crunch.
Okay.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
All right.
See ya.
We got her cake. She was happy. Something sweet, simple. I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I think I have enough footage. This is quarantine week 2 and week 3. So tomorrow, well, technically today starts week 4, but tomorrow we'll start week 4. Stuck in the house. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next video.